Hey, my friend, fellow traders, Will here with FXAUUSD.com, and it's that time again, getting ready for a new trading week. And as always, posted weekly to my channel is your free trading idea for the week ahead. Okay, so I'm expecting a bit of volatility to come back into the markets this week. Some really nice setups are in the horizon. And before we get into your free setup for the week ahead, if you're new to the channel or you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, simply click the subscribe button now. And you can also head over to the Facebook group and join our private Facebook group, which is the FXA's Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group, and stay up to date with our weekly trade ideas and also the results our clients are getting with our Signal service. Okay, so this week's trade idea is on the British pound Kiwi. Okay, you can see we've got some nice, and on total we've got about 23 possible setups this week. And one of my favorite setups, which I'm giving to you this week, is the British pound Kiwi. Okay, and the way we work our services, not every single one of these trades will work out. We trade them in a basket, so we put them all on together. We put a risk as a basket. What I mean is, over all these 23 trades, we're risking about 5% of our count in all of them together, not per trade, but in all of them together. Okay. When they do trigger, this is how we are able to profit consistently week in, week out. Okay, so if you don't want to trade like in a basket, I recommend around 0.05 to 0.08% of your account per trade. Okay, you don't want to get too greedy. And if you're just trading this British pound Kiwi, around 0.5 to 1% of your account is fine, because you'll only be taking the one trade. And as always, trade at your own risk. Okay, so let's head over to the chart and just have a look at the British pound Kiwi. Okay, so you can see it's rallying up nicely. I've had this reaction at this monthly area here, and I'm expecting it to rally up a little bit more. What I tend to see is happening at the minute is on the weekly charts that each week will pop up and test the high of the previous week and pop slightly above it and then drop back down towards the end of the week. So that's what I'm expecting to happen this week. Okay, so I'm looking to actually sell this around 211 2. Okay, so I'm expecting, I just wanted to pop up a little bit up here next week. See, we are at these candles here just starting to, price action starting to slow down. So I'm just expecting a little pop and drop down next week on this position. Okay, you can see that these highs are getting respected here. I know this is a big, can't really draw a zone because of this big spike. So I'm just classifying this here as a zone because of spike. So what I'm looking for is prices to break up through this next week, maybe spike up above it to around 211.2 and then drop back down, and the target's going to be around 0.4 down this round about here, this daily area here. Okay, so trade stop loss is around 130 pips. That's the max stop loss we have. So the trade idea is sell GBPNZD at 2.112. Stop loss, we always use a stop, is at 2.125. Take profit. Okay, we're gonna go 204. And the way we work our trades is usually we'll finish early. When I post in the group, if we get to our minimum pip amount for the week, I'll post in our Telegram group, and our clients will close out their trades. Certainly, if I don't post anything, we just open up on a Monday and we close on a Friday before the end of the US session on a Friday. And we open around the Tokyo Open on Monday. The reason being the Tokyo Open is so we don't get caught with any weekend gaps or high spreads that are that happen when the market opens on a Sunday, depending where you are in the world, or a Monday morning if you're down under or in New Zealand or in Asia. Okay, so that's the trade idea for this week. As always, trade at your own risk. It's a very nice setup. If it pops up and pops up nicely around 211 and you see it and it's not quite getting to 211.2, you can enter manually if it's in within 10 to 15 pips of your entry. Okay, so just watch it if you're watching the markets. Okay, so hope this trade idea helps. If you want to access our full list of ideas for the week ahead, you can simply click the link below. Some really nice setups in play. Like I said, British Pound Kiwi is one of my favorites. Okay, so click the link below, join the group, and if not, I hope the British Pound Kiwi works out very well for you. So happy trading, have a great week, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy trading. So thanks for watching. Will at the FXAUUSD.com.